In 2014, we saw the Inspire 1 released, and then 2 years later, in 2016, the Inspire 2 came out. Now, in 2023, we have the Inspire 3. But DJI's history goes way back to 2006. And look, I know you don't really care about this stuff. You just want to see the footage, the specs, and the drone itself. So let's just stop wasting time and just get straight into it. You ready? Here we go.
Oh, that was really good.
Dude, whew, that was the most insane footage we've gotten today.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
It was so sick.
Was crazy.
Was it?
Yes.
Can't wait to see it.
Oh my god.
Dude, you're gonna lose your mind. We were just like, oh my god, it's crazy.
Ah, cool, that's good.
Oh.
Here. Now food time.
Yes. My name is David. I'm a 25-year-old filmmaker in Iceland, and I want to talk about my experience on shooting for the DJI Inspire 3 campaign. In this video, I'll go over how I came to work on this project, which gear I used, and my initial thoughts on the drone itself. First drone that I got was the Mavic 1. It was an insane drone for the time. It shot 4K video, you could fly it so far away, you could get these shots that were just unimaginable at the time. And you felt that you were shooting something that you should not be able to shoot. And over the next few years, DJI was going to change my life with the Mavic 2 Pro and the handheld Ronin gimbals. And in 2022, I got a call from a filmmaker named Benjamin Hardmans. At the time, we didn't know each other, but for some reason he trusted me to get on board and shoot the campaign for the RS3, their newest and best gimbal. And on this trip, we talked so much about how insane it would be if we did this right, then maybe, just maybe, we would get to shoot like the Inspire or the next drone or whatever. And we were just hoping, no, we were manifesting it, that someday that might happen. Fast forward to 2023. I get a FaceTime call. We were getting the Inspire 3. On this project, we needed to be quick and efficient, so the camera gear had to be light, easy to set up, and still have the professional quality that we were looking for. I could have gone with the setup that I used on the RS3 shoot, but I feel like it wouldn't have been able to get the same quality that I wanted now. I could have used my main cinema setup, the Ursa 12K with an easy rig, but this is way too heavy and required setup time, manual focus, and I needed a lot of batteries. So the setup we decided to go with was the Ronin 4D with Sigma contemporary lenses. And honestly, this setup was amazing to use. It provided the high quality I was looking for and the incredible ease of use like the RS3 setup. I will definitely be making a video about this camera in the future. But anyways, back to the Inspire 3. On this trip, it was me, Benjamin, and our friend Siggi, who is an expert climber and navigator. And our mission was to travel all the way across Iceland, pray to Odin and Thor that the weather would be good, and then shoot as much epic footage with the new Inspire as we could. The weather has been insane and we're just getting such cool content. The Ronin 40 is one of my favorite cameras already. It's like the best gimbal ever and the camera quality is so amazing. I can't wait to see how that footage edits.
And it's honestly just a dream project of mine, trying to wrap my head around how I get into these situations. We're shooting with the Inspire 3, the new Mavic 3 Pro, and the Ronin 40, just 3 epic products from DJI, so I'm super stoked. It's a good day.
Coming from a user who's only been shooting on the Mavic 3 Cine for the past couple of months, I can honestly say that this is a drone that I really want to get. The Inspire is just a level above everything. There's just something about that footage that just looks... it just looks incredible. The depth of the colors, the dynamic range, the performance of the gimbal and the drone, especially in heavy winds here in Iceland, it was kind of just reliable the whole time. And that's so important when you're working on big sets or on locations where you don't have a lot of time and you just need to get the shot. And if you've ever been in Iceland before, you know that the weather is never gonna be on your side. The Zenmuse X9 is the new camera on the drone. It's an 8K sensor. The dynamic range is crazy. It's kind of like if you put a high resolution camera and just had it on burst mode the whole time. And obviously when you bring these files into DaVinci Resolve, you can just see how much you can push these images. To get the shots that you're getting on this drone, like 10 years ago, you would have to have a helicopter with like this massive gimbal, and each shot would just cost tens and thousands of dollars. It's such a big change in the industry, and I just can't wait to see what happens next. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.